Hello students, I am Sarita Agrawal, lecturer in Modern Office Management Department at GWPC Jaipur. Today I am having the next topic, diphthongs. After studying vowels, we will have an advanced form of vowels, that is diphthongs. A diphthong is a union of two vowel sounds in one syllable. If in one syllable we hear two vowel sounds together, we have diphthong. We have actually the sound of diphthong. In vowel, only one vowel sound is heard, but in diphthong you hear two vowel sounds at a place. Diphthongs are of four kinds. These are the sounds of diphthongs. I, ow, oi, you. This sound is I, e, I. This is ow, this is oi, this is you. As heard in the sentence, it makes more clear. I now enjoy music. I sound. Now, ow sound. Enjoy, oi sound. Music, you sound. They are represented as follows. I is represented by this sign V. Ow is represented by inverted V. Oi is represented by V but facing left hand side, and U is represented by inverted U, this sign. The signs for I and oi are written in the first place. These I and oi are first place sounds. Example, tie. Tie is written like this. First we will write T consonant, then we will write I diphthong. First sounded vowel is I, that is first place, so T would be written above the line, means on first position, that is above the line. Then next, time. First sounded vowel is I, time, I. Then the T would be written on first position, time. Toy. First sounded vowel is oi. Oi again first place sound, so T would be written on first position, that is above the line. Toy. T, oi. T, first we will write T, then after oi sound. First we will read T, then after the vowel sound. T, oi. Toy. Tie, T, I, tie, time. Tie. The signs for ow and u are written in the third place. The sign for ow and u, this is first place, this is first place, this is third place, this is third place. Okay, ow and u are written in the third place. cow. Cow, first sounded vowel is ow. Consonant is C, K, but first sounded vowel is ow. So, K would be written on the line and vowel is placed on third place. Cow. Because the horizontal lines cannot be written through the line, so when we have to write them on third place, then they would be written on the place. So first place is above the line for horizontal, but for second and third place there is only on the line. For third and second place the position would be on the line. Duty, duty, u, due. Third place again, then D would be written through the line. Due, T, due, due. After it comes after D. So and third place, so it would be written before the second place, before the second stroke at the third place. Due, T. Okay. Mute, yeah, mule, mule, like this. Now join diphthongs. The diphthong signs may be joined to the consonant in many words. Diphthong signs can be easily joined to many consonants in many words, like item, item, I, J, M. Here I have joined I sign to T. Idle, I, J, L. It would be written above the line because I is first sounded vowel and it is it belongs to first place. That's why it is written above the line. I'll, joined. It gets joined to L very easily. Now, ow is joined here in the end. Owl, owl, owl. Okay. In some cases, for U sound, the semicircle is used for convenience in joining, like argue, argue. U is written in form of semicircle in some cases. Argue. New, semicircle. Value, semicircle again. So that's it for today. Thank you.